Get ready, tech enthusiasts. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to redefine what we think a smartphone can achieve. With confirmed leaks, jaw-dropping design details, and groundbreaking innovations, this flagship is already one of the most anticipated devices of 2025. Let's dive into the latest information and what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out. A new era of smartphone design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a statement piece. Building on the sleek aesthetics of its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, Samsung has taken the Ultra line to new heights. Expect thinner bezels, a virtually invisible under-display camera, and a refined edge design that fits comfortably in your hand. One of the standout features rumored for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its innovative Flex AMOLED 2.0 display, offering even better color accuracy, brightness, and efficiency. This display is said to be the most advanced on the market, making everything from streaming to gaming an absolute visual treat. A leap in camera technology. Samsung has always been a leader in smartphone photography, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. Early reports suggest a 200MP adaptive sensor capable of switching between high-resolution shots and optimized low-light performance. The camera is also expected to feature AI-enhanced zoom, providing up to 150x zoom with unparalleled clarity. Advanced nightography, revolutionizing low-light photography for stunning nighttime shots. Cinematic video capabilities, 8K recording at 60 frames per second with improved stabilization. Selfie lovers will enjoy an upgraded 40MP front camera, ensuring your photos are as sharp as they are vibrant. Performance beyond speed. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to run on Samsung's latest Exynos 2500 chip in some regions, or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This combination promises faster processing, better thermal management, and improved battery efficiency. The phone will reportedly feature 16GB RAM for smooth multitasking, up to 1TB of internal storage, ensuring ample space for your photos, videos, and apps. 5G ultra-wideband connectivity, keeping you connected at lightning speed. Battery and charging. Power that lasts. One of the most exciting updates is the rumored 6,000 mAh battery, which could offer 2 days of moderate use. Samsung is also introducing Ultra Fast Charge 2.0, capable of charging the device from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also expected to be improved for more efficiency. Software, a smarter experience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut with One UI 7.0, based on Android 15. This new iteration promises a cleaner interface, enhanced customization options, and AI-driven features to make your experience seamless. Key software features may include personalized AI recommendations, tailoring your phone's functions to your daily habits. Enhanced privacy controls, giving you more transparency over your data. Multitasking features, improve split screen and app continuity across devices. Eco-friendly innovations. Sustainability is becoming a core focus for Samsung. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to include recycled materials for its chassis and packaging, energy-efficient components, reducing the device's carbon footprint, longer software support, with up to 5 years of updates, ensuring your device stays relevant longer. What sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart? The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about specs, it's about redefining the smartphone experience. From its futuristic design to its eco-friendly approach, Samsung is setting new standards for the industry. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who needs a reliable device for work, the S25 Ultra seems to have something for everyone. What we're excited about. Here's a quick recap of what makes the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra a must-watch release. Groundbreaking display, Flex AMOLED 2.0 for unmatched visuals. Innovative camera, a 200MP sensor with AI-enhanced capabilities. Top-tier performance, Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chips. Long-lasting battery, 6,000 mAh with ultra-fast charge 2.0. sustainable design, eco-friendly materials, and extended software support. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's a glimpse into the future of technology. With its impressive specs, cutting-edge design, and commitment to sustainability, this device is set to be a game-changer in 2025. As we await its official launch, one question remains: can Samsung outdo itself and the competition? Based on what we know so far, the answer seems to be a resounding yes. Stay tuned to Technology Review for the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and exclusive first looks at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and other exciting tech releases.